Hello, good morning. This is Wasim Hassan. How may I help you today? In this video, we will discuss about how to earn money in different ways. In the last video, we will discuss more than 10 methods you can earn money from different ways. The today we discuss about to earn money. You can provide online courses. Beyond writing ebook, create a whole online course with tutorial PDF files and video. It is the great way to passive income because people will pay into and go to your own place or post questions related to your course in delighted group. Here one resource of creating and selling online course learn work, which make it possible for anyone to profit from their knowledge and experience by the creating an online program. Coaching is the main objective. Become a life coach, even travel coach, business coach, life coaching through providing creating process that helps people on the both and professional goals, advise international living standards. People use life coaching and overcome fears, boost their self confidence, create goals, instill success oriented habits. You can find the thousand of online training programs and how to be life coach and how many certificates program often inspire website setup once training is complete. If travel is your area of expertise, you can become a good traveler coach. Read the story about the travel writer who become to a travel coach, and the addition is become a audio book and interest research and survey. Another way to good money in the surfing the internet into your spare time to find out online survey. If you are looking for a way to make an extra $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 per month, a part-time job, then internet research is for you. Advise international living at the site to your browser to click research, and you can there is a huge search available, survey boards, survey junkies, valued options. You can available in the internet and you can easily earn more than 2500 per day. The second you can method you can earn farming and the living of from the lands. Farming can be one of the fulfilled lifestyle you can easily embark on advise international living, but many might dismiss it's too much hard work program or too expensive to get started. They may be too in the US, but overseas there is opportunities that will make easier. You can think to live off the land and you can make money while you are at it. It could be simple, creating veggie patches to feed the family and bring in the little extra, and farmer markets. You can could overseas a large, and the addition method you can choose. Try cheese making. Who do not love cheese? Everyone like cheese. Everyone watch making pizza like pizza. Cheese products is also used in burgers, French fries, and sweet dishes. It is very great idea. You can make cheese. Cheese can be satisfying and fun hobby, but beyond it can provide income as well. Advise international living standards. I hope this video, little beauty video, is for informative. Thank you very much.